This is on TikTok Shop. Purely very suitable for you to get started. You can sell products directly through video. You don't have to you don't need to worry. Create a merchant account connected into your TikTok Shop. Merchandise is an outstanding name that you should just and choose. Hi, I'm back. In the previous video, I showed you 3 strategies for success on TikTok, right? And this is definitely the part you are looking forward to the most. I know that. Without saying too much more, let's sit down, take a sip of water, and I will tell you practical tips to boost your TikTok. Along with the main strategy mentioned above, there are also other micro actions that can be applied to boost your performance on TikTok. The first one, this is use hashtag. For example, TikTok made me buy it is a super popular hashtag with over 11 billion views. Through this tag, TikTok user can discover exciting, trendy product through other creators section. Possibly, if you use this hashtag on your TikTok, your content could reach a huge audience who are looking for interesting product like yours. More than a tool for collecting similar content videos, hashtag can also be a useful tool for brands to boost their branding. Brands can be used hashtag to promote their marketing campaign. Many brands have found successful by creating challenges that come along with hashtag. For example, like merchandise, hashtag print on demand, hashtag POD, hashtag MMO, and hashtag e-commerce, and so on. The second, this is post regularly and often. Posting frequently and showing your commitment is a useful way to increase your presence on your social media. Frequency has always been a key factor for success on any content-focused platform. Churning out more content is also a great way for you to test and learn about this platform. The more content you put out, the more you learn about what works on this platform. This valuable experience will help you create better content in the future. Use trending sounds and effects. Just like hashtag, sound and effect are elements that can go trending on TikTok. When using trending sounds, viewers will be attracted and wanted to see more of your content. The longer they stay on your video, the better TikTok views on your content qualities, and the algorithm will be deliver your content to a wider audience. Here are some effective ways to find trending sounds on TikTok to use on your video. The first one, this is discover through the trending sounds section on TikTok. The second, this is go to the tick board to have a high-level overview on top trending sounds quickly and easily. As simple, clear CTA to your TikTok. Be it a copy, an image, a landing page, or a TikTok video, a clear, simple, actionable CTA is an essential element that connects to the bridge between good content to your brand bottom line. Don't forget to include a CTA on your TikTok video. One challenge that is very particular to advertising print on demand on TikTok is the availability of product sample. Print on demand sellers don't manage the inventory nor have the product available at hand. But a large part of TikTok's success relies on the fact that creators then test and use the product in real life. A tip for you: order product sample for your product from supplier to create content. Knowing that it's nearly impossible to get every single design in your store, you should limit the sample order only the test and proven product. With merchandise, you can order sample directly from our system. Read the full detailed guides on how to get your sample quick and easy. Additionally, you can create interview first 3 seconds, interact with your viewer, and so on. There's quite a bit to do, right? If you get stuck, don't worry. Please contact us through the information channel list under the description box. There's probably too much information today, right? Please tell me your question below in the comment section. I will have you to solve it. And now, goodbye and see you in the next clip.